Hello student, in this video we'll see how to fill BBA and BCA CET form. At the time of form filling, you need to have soft copy of photograph, signature and any ID proof such as Aadhaar card. To fill the form, you need to visit the official website of CET, cetcell.mahacet.org. From this homepage, you need to click on Candidate Registration Academic Year 24 and 25. If you are already registered to this site, you need to fill the email ID and password. But if you are the new user, that time you click on to the registration. After clicking the registration, this form will appear. You must fill your full name as per HSC and HSC mark sheet. Okay. Then enter email ID and generate a password. Password must be at least 8 character and along with one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter and one character, special character and one number. Fine. After entering this data, it will send CET cell will send a verification mail to your register mail ID. Then go to your mail ID and click this link, verify email. After clicking this link, it will again show you the form which will accept the personal details such as mobile number, mother's name, religion, father name, gender and region. So while entering the mobile number, be careful because CET cell will send a verification OTP on this number. After entering the data, click on the save. Then again, it will ask some details. For example, domicile. If you want to take advantage of a scholarship, that time you need to enter a proper information here. Then again, fill the information and click on the save changes. When your data will successfully updated, this page will get open. Click on the registration tab. After registration, clicking after registration tab, again this tab will get open. So click over here, BBA, BCA tab. Now read this information carefully and tick over here and click on I accept and proceed. Then CET cell will send one OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter that OTP here and click on the verify OTP. Fine. Very important thing, after entering the OTP, it will generate a application number. Write down this application number or take a screenshot of this image because this is your application number. Then proceed to click on the proceed to complete. You need to fill all these tabs. Right now we entered the personal registration and personal detail. You need to specify the domicile category detail, qualification detail, exam form detail. So here you need to enter the category information. Then click on the save and proceed. Then fill out the details related to your examination center. Then you need to upload the photograph and sign. See. Then click on then here it will ask you to submit or to upload one proof, ID proof. For example, you can upload the Aadhaar card. Then click on save and proceed. It will show you the preview of your application form. If everything is fine, then click on the next. Here it will ask you, are you sure to proceed to payment? Click on yes. Then it will display the payment option. Click on the payment option, scan the QR code. You will able to pay the form fee. After paying the form fee, your application form going to submit. Okay, thank you.